Now we discuss practice exercise regarding profit and loss. Question number 1. If CP equal to 9 rupees 50 paise and SP equal to 11 rupees 40 paise, then find the profit. Here CP 9 rupees 50 paise and SP 11 rupees 40 paise. That means SP is greater than CP. Then profit equal to SP minus CP. That is 11 rupees 40 paise minus 9 rupees 50 paise. That equal to 4. From 40 paise, 50 not subtracted. So borrowing 1 rupee here. 1 rupee means 100 paise. 100 plus 40. 140 minus 50 means 90 paise. And here 10 rupees. 10 minus 9, 1 rupee. Then profit is 1 rupee 90 paise. Then if CP equal to 10 rupees 20 paise and SP equal to 8 rupees 50 paise, then find the loss percentage. So here CP is greater than SP. So definitely we got loss. So loss equal to 10 minus 20, that is CP minus SP. 8 rupees 50 paise. 0, 0. Here 2 minus 5. Not subtracted here. So borrowing from here, it becomes 9. Here 10 plus 2, 12 minus 5. That is 7. 9 minus 8, 1. So therefore loss equal to 1 rupee 70 paise. Next, third question. If CP equal to 112 rupees and SP equal to 130 rupees, find the gain. Gain equal to SP minus CP. That is 132 minus 112. That is rupees 20 rupees. Profit is 20 rupees. Next, question number 4. If CP equal to 120 rupees, SP equal to 90 rupees, then find loss percentage. So CP is greater than SP, definitely you got loss. So loss equal to CP minus SP, that is 120 minus 90, that equal to 30 rupees. In this question, we have to find out the loss percentage. Loss percentage equal to loss by CP into 100. So loss 30 rupees, CP value 120 into 100. 31 is 34. 100 by 4 means 425 is 100, so 25%. So loss percentage is 25%. Next, question number 5. An article was bought for 650 rupees and sold for 728 rupees. Find the gain percentage. So cost price is 650 and selling price is 728. Definitely we get a profit. So gain equal to SP minus CP, that is 728 minus 650. 8, 12 minus 5, 7, 6 minus 6, 0. That is 78 rupees gain. Then gain percent equal to gain by CP into 100. That is 78 by 650 into 100. Then gain 78 rupees. Cost price is 650. So 78 and 65 both are in 13th table. So 0, 0 cancel. 13 6 are 78, 13 5s, 5 1s, 5 2s. Therefore 6 2s are 12% gain. Next, question number 6. Raj bought a cycle for 690 rupees and sold for 655 rupees 50 paise after 1 year. Find the loss. So here cost price is greater than selling price, definitely we get loss. So loss equal to cost price minus selling price, that is 690 minus 655 rupees and 50 paise. So 600 minus 600, 0. 90 minus 55. 90 minus 55 is 35 rupees. 35 minus 50 paise, that is 34 rupees 50 paise. So loss percent equal to loss by CP into 100, that is 34.50 by 690 into 100. So for 100, two decimals will cancel. So 3450 by 690, 0 cancel. And try to multiply with 5. 5 9s are 45, 5 6s are 30 plus 4 34. So 69 1s are 69 5s. So 5% loss. Next 7th question. Find SP when CP equal to 500, gain equal to 7%. So cost price, let be cost price equal to always 100%. 100% value 500 and gain is 7%. Then automatically SP equal to how much percent? CP plus gain, that is 100 plus 7, that is 107%. So what value of 107% value is question mark. So 107 by 100 into 500, 2 zeros cancel, 5 7s are 35, 5 1s 5. So selling price equal to 535 rupees. Question number 8. A man sold his cow for 7,920 rupees and gained 10%. What will be the cost price of cow? So cost price always be 100%. And here gain percent is given, that is 10%. And SP value also given, that is 7,920. So SP equal to 100 plus gain. CP plus gain, that is 110%. So value of 110% equal to 7,920 rupees. Then we have to find out the value of cost price, that is 100%. 100 by 110 into 7,920. 0 cancel, 11 ones, 11 sevens, 11 twos. That is 7,200 rupees. Next, question number 9. A watch is sold for 1,080 rupees and at a loss of 10%. Find the cost price of the watch. Here CP equal to 100% and loss is 10% and SP equal to CP minus loss, that is 100 minus 10, that is 90%. So here value of SP is given, that is 90% equal to 1,080 rupees. And cost price of the watch, that means 100% value we have to find out. So 9 12s, 90 12s, 1,080, 100 12s, 1,200 rupees. Therefore, cost price of the watch equal to 1,200 rupees. Next, question number 10. By selling a stool for 67 rupees 50 paise, a carpenter loses 10%. How much percent would be gain or loss by selling it for 82 rupees 50 paise? Here, both values are SP values, SP1 and SP2. When sold at 67 rupees 50 paise, he get loss 10%. That means 10% loss means here SP equal to 100 minus 10. That is 90%. 90% value is 67 rupees 50 paise. When sold at 82 rupees 50 paise, how much gain or loss? So first we have to find out the percentage value of 82 rupees 50 paise. So that is 82.50 by 67.50 into 90. So 2 decimals cancel, 0 cancel. 25 twos, 25 sevens. 25 twos 50, 175, 25 sevens are 175. Here 25 threes are 75. 82 minus 75, that is again 7, 75, 75 threes. 9 ones, 9 threes, 3 11s. 11 into 10, that is 110%. So cost price is 100% and value of SP2 Here SP1 is 90%, SP2 equal to 110%. Automatically gain percent equal to 10%. Next, 11th question. If by selling a bedsheet for 75 rupees, a man loses 4%, for what amount should he sell it so as to gain 20%? So here SP1, when sold at 75 rupees, he get lost 4%. That means SP1 equal to in percentage 100 minus 4, that is 96%. 96% value is 75 rupees. SP2. In SP2, he would have gained to 20%, that is 100 plus 20. That is 120% value. That is 120 by 96 into 75. 12 ones, 12 eights, 2 fours, 2 fives. That is 5 fives are 25. 5 sevens are 35 to 37 by 4. 4 nines are 36. 15 4 threes are 12. 3 means 24.30. 4 sevens are 25. 4 fives. That is SP2 is 93 rupees 75 pies. That means when sold 93 rupees and 75 pies, he would get gain of 20%. Question number 12. A person purchased an old mobile phone for 700 rupees and spent 50 rupees on its repairing. If he sold that mobile phone for 1000 rupees, then his profit percent is. So he bought for 700 rupees and spent 50 rupees for repairing. So repair cost also including cost price. Therefore cost price equal to 700 plus 50. That is 750 rupees. And he sold mobile phone for 1000 rupees. That is value of SP equal to 1000 rupees. So SP is more than CP, therefore you get profit. Profit equal to SP minus CP. That is 1000 minus 750. That equal to 250 rupees profit. Then what we have to find out? Profit percentage. So profit percent equal to profit by CP into 100. So here profit 250 and CP value 750 into 100. 0, 0, 25 ones, 25 threes. 100 by 3 means 33, 1 by 3% or 33.33%. Next. Question number 30. The cost price of 15 tables be equal to selling price of 20 tables. Find the last percent. Here, cost price not given and selling price also not given. Both are equal. They said both are equal. But cost of 15 tables equal to selling price of 10 tables. That means CP of 15 tables equal to SP of 20 tables. So here articles, when bought 15 tables, say for same price selling 20 tables, definitely you will get loss. So loss, how many tables will get loss? That is 5 tables. So then loss percent equal to, here articles means loss by number of articles in SP into 100. So loss near 5 tables, SP value 20 tables into 100. Number of articles in SP is 20. That is 5 ones, 5 fours, 4 25s. Then loss percent is 25%. Next, question number 14. Selling price of 6 pence is equal to cost price of 7 pence. Find the gain or loss percent. Here, SP of 6 pence equal to CP of 7 pence. That means when bought for 10 rupees he bought 7 pence. For the same 10 rupees he sold only 6 pence. Then automatically he gained 1 pen. Gain 1 pen. So then gain percent equal to here articles. So gain by number of articles in SP into 100. That is 1 pen by number of articles in SP, that is 6 into 100. 2 50s, 2 3s. 50 by 3 means 16, 2 by 3% or 16.66%. Next question number 50. Tanuja bought 2 houses for 2,39,500. She sold one of them for 85,000 rupees and the other one for 1,75,000 rupees. How much money did she gain? So, CP of 2 houses equal to 2,39,500 rupees. Then the SP of 2 houses. SP of 2 houses equal to 1,85,000 rupees and another one is 1,75,000 rupees. Then total 85 plus 1,75,000, that is 2,60,000 rupees. Then automatically SP is more than CP, then we will get gain. Gain equal to SP minus CP, that equal to 2,60,000 minus 2,39,500. Okay, 2 lakhs minus 2 lakhs, 60 minus 39. 60 minus 39 means 21,000. 21,000 minus 500, that is 20,500 rupees. Gain. The last question, 16th one. Piyush purchased an old mobile for 1,150 rupees and spends 150 rupees on its maintenance. If he sold the old mobile for 1,500 rupees, then his profit percentage. Here, purchase for 1,150 and maintenance charges 150. So that also included in cost price, that is 1,150 plus 150 equal to 1,300 rupees total cost. And he sold at 1,500 rupees. Then automatically SP is more than CP, then he will get gain. Gain equal to SP minus CP. 1,500 minus 1,300, that equal to 200 rupees. And gain percent equal to the value gain by CP into 100. Gain is 200 rupees. CP value 1,300 into 100. 2 zeros cancel. 200 by 13. Again, that means 13 ones are 13. 20 minus 13 is 7, 0, 17. 13 5 is 65. 5 by 13%. So gain percent is 15, 5 by 13%. Okay. Profit and loss over. Profit and loss topic over. This practice. Class we will discuss simple interest topic.